how to do the alpha symbol in Microsoft Word on a Mac computer. Now, this is very easy. All you want to do is hold down Command, Shift and Spacebar to bring up the emoji box. Then, next to the search box, you want to press this little box here. This will bring up the larger character viewer. Now, what we want to do here is search for alpha, and this should allow you to find the alpha symbol. Once you do, we can see it here, Greek small letter alpha. Once you select it, more options on the right hand side below it will become available. If you're happy with this one, you can just double click it. But more options are available on the right hand side. So once we've highlighted it, if you scroll down, you can see all the different alpha symbols in Word. And you can change or select which one you prefer. So that's how to do an alpha symbol in Microsoft Word on a Mac computer. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.